guys, good evening, welcome to my channel. So it's evening, all right, and I see the weather is very bright. Don't you and daddy, they have to go and barb their hair, but they forget to go with clipper. So in here is my clipper and everything they need before they give my baby ringo. I call the father, wait, if you not go with clipper, I say no, they forget. I'm coming. Nobody should buy anything for my boy. I'm coming to bring my clipper back. I have clipper. So let me hurry before the week another thing to barb his head. Okay, keep watching, subscribe, okay, if you have not. Okay, this I'm coming. That is Papi. Papi taking their light. Say hi. Say ayo. Say daddy. Daddy. That is Papi. After daddy now are you? Abi?
No, I put on for record. So I think you get the 1 year like that.
Nah.
I go play for you. After you go down to come with
and today my picking the barb hair. Maybe today now.
On record. Record purpose.
Oh yeah.
The 1 year like that, you don't marry, you don't marry.
They said we won't get help unless Obama do. Don't get shot on my area, they gon' come you. If you was thinking, just take their hearts up off your heart. We take you, get it down. Gonna be the reason for your dead niggas' brain. Nigga, you gon' rap. Stop telling niggas you gon' die. I know what bitch you do whatever for some better. Like, why you call your homie? Why you call your homie? Why you call your homie? You call your homie. What you was doing with your profit money? I said you got me. The same bitch trying to fuck the ones who shitted on me. Wanna see the same niggas from back. Wanna see the trap niggas who got money and shitted on me. Wanna see my chicken set on beach and now I'm shitting on pocket with that different money. You was trying. Watch your homie. Watch your homie, man. Watch your homie, man.
We are going home. So, Amara is the one taking over the kitchen this night. So, Amara, the two, how we are, Amara? Burn the kitchen. Yeah? Burn it, yeah? But if no. And then I'm cooking meat and rice to cook it. Look at it. So look at it. Yes. And pepper and rice. So the ground handling the kitchen this night. I'm just in the parlor. Alright. Don't you come out and my ground cooking. You know what done? Yeah? You done, you eat. You go? Yeah, come on. And then I went on, yeah? I'll be here waiting, yeah? Is the food finished? Where is the fish? Man, know that short one. Okay, check out. Now the thing, they're okay. Oh, see the fish, very fantabulous. Mo, take food that. Don't get one. No, don't get one. Don't get it. No. Oh, yeah, cover it. Okay, let's check out them. I'm gonna help you the test time, yeah? Huh? You know? I want to give you the same one, whether you eat or not. Yeah?
You finish the fish.
But I'm not eating meat now, you know now.
Yeah, eating meat.
I'm not eating meat now, only fish that they eat. Abi? Fish, but Amara, you will not give us another one. Mo try our luck. Amara, give me another fish. Back your hand. Come. Let's make Antemara for another one. Another she's giving us. Antemara, she do we take? Mo no take. She can no more no take. I see the inside of the kitchen. So she mo no take. Yeah, nice. Yeah, man. This is my Auntie Amara. She's mixing two of them together. And that's how to cook our own. Look, you go and sit down. Go and be learning how to cook. So guys, let me see. Okay. What do you cook? Amara, leave my baby alone. So Auntie Amara finish cooking. Waiting for the food to done. I let go outside.
The next day.
Okay guys, good morning everyone. So it's Monday the next day and this is me on my way to Okwafo in Lagos State, Nigeria. Okay, so I was sent to go and do something. This is me on my way, right? So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, and tell me if you live in Obala and Okwafo side. Okay, yeah, this is me going there.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, will always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, will always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Many hours later.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. How was your day? So guys, yesterday after we eat in the night after Amara cook, mother is fit well, but she don't give me plenty fish. Now be the thing. If she give me plenty fish now. Okay guys, so this morning, which is today on Thursday, Abby. After eating last night, but today I have somewhere to go. Yes. I go message for someone. Did my belly no tata here. No, I don't get no tata for belly. Eh? Tata. Today don't you do they touch my belly? No, I'm not getting motor for my belly now. Yes. So don't worry, yeah, that I will come. Oh. So guys, this morning I left early morning. I went to Lagos. Yesterday I go to Lagos. Today I go to Lagos again. Yesterday I went to Lagos, Zion and Oshodi. So today I went to Abala, Okwafo. Okay. So but somebody sent me there to go and do something. So while I was going in the morning, on my way going, after I reached Aton, then from Aton I have to enter by, because where I was going I was hurrying because I need to be there before 8 o'clock. By 8 o'clock. 8:30. On my way. On my way, okay. I wanted to enter. Do you talk now? Yeah. I want to enter motor. I said, okay, no, that motor will delay my time because they will be doing pick and drop, pick and drop, pick and drop. Eh? Sure. Well, they will be doing pick and drop. Don't you let me talk? Well, I don't want pick and drop, and if I enter motor will delay me. Okay, so I decided to enter bike to go to Amara direct. Okay, because I went there before. So today, on my way, I enter bike. Me and bike, the man discussed that I will pay 3,000. Yes, because it's only me. Okay, he said that I'm going to pay 3,000. Before when I get there in the before I went there in the morning, that the fact that I went there, they said I paid 2,400 for 112 for one person, but now it's 3,000, 115. So I begged the man 2,500 in the fee, so I have to enter 3,000 only me. Because I told him I don't want another person because I was wearing gown, and if I wear that gown, if I have to enter 2 people, I have to shift. No, I wear gown, so. But normally I like to enter my machine by only by myself. I'll pay for 2 people. So on our way, I'll give the man 3,000 now. On our way, God. When police people stop us, you know, they said, where are we going? Yeah, we're going to Amara. So I asked the bike man for money. Yeah. He asked the bike man for money. The bike man put out for pocket, bring to the 200 naira and give to him. The man said, okay, yeah, please wait. Yeah, you follow us and go Amara to you want to go and buy something. Maybe now food, I don't know. Because that place that now where police people, you know, police checking point now. The man said, okay, wait. When the bike man will stop, the man want to go and carry a gallon. He tell the bike man, I better make I follow and I go Amara. I look at, I keep quiet, not talk. The bike man said, okay. I can't wonder from my mind. Wait, though. The bike man want to carry another person. Man, okay, the man said, but I make I shift. I said, I got shift to go where? I said, me want to enter. I said, no, you cannot enter. I said, why? I said, well, because I pay for 2 people.
Baby.
I don't know why bike man says you guys, but me, I pay for 2 people. Yeah? I pay for 2 people. That I don't want to be 2. That's why I pay for 1 because the road is a highway, and if I'm going to highway, I will not enter 2 people. I will pay for 2 per person. And when I say I should shift, I feel okay, I cannot enter. That I already pay for 2 people. That's 3,000 for only me. Like 115 for 2 people. I pay another extra 115, meaning 3,000. I don't have respect. I feel I got give respect out of this one. That you cannot enter. Yeah? I'm coming, Daddy. I feel I got that you cannot enter. That I pay for this one. He said, I should shift. Once I cannot enter, that I pay. You know, the more I raise his voice, me that I raise my voice. That bike man, I said, okay, don't be offended. I said I pay for 2 people. If I did not pay for 2 people, I will shit for you enter. But I pay for 2 people. Yeah. So when we are talking, while we are talking, the guy, one of them, I was sitting down. Then we were like, what is going on here? Not be this girl. Man, can you say, madam, what happened? I said, good morning. I said, morning. Sorry, I pay for 2 people in the bike, 3,000. And your colleague said I want to enter. And I told you that I pay for 2 people. Like, I cannot enter this one. Although, if you want to enter, you pay me the 1.5 but I pay the man. That means it's no longer only me. He said, why will you pay him? I said, because I pay for it. He said, do you know that you are talking to an office? I said, I know that I'm talking to an office. I know. Because these people, if you keep quiet, hey. No, I said, I know, Olga, I know that he's a police officer, but me, I cannot shift for him to sit down. But I'll pay for 2 people. And I asked bike man, I make I come down, bike man said no. So not my fault, my brother. Oh, no vex. Oh, Pepper. But the man was like, I have to shift for him. I want to go and buy, even when I'm fuel. I want to go and buy fuel. I said, let him look for another bike. If you see my boldness when I was doing this in the morning, I was not even looking at, I not even looking at, this man is supposed to be like an elderly man, no, but not elderly, but the man, if you look at the man's face, the man has come off to age. Okay? So, and me shifting for him is not a problem. Because I even, why the officer that, because the other man was rude, but the officer that came, the other man, the man was calm. It's okay. Actually, I cannot shift for him because why I pay for one mic is because my wife, this is highway. I don't like sitting down. I don't like sitting down highway to people. And again, I'm wearing gown. But if I shift, my clothes will be short. Okay, it's okay that you understand. But no problem, you know. So the other one, why we are talking? The other man, don't tell me hear what now. You know, so no, but these people, if you leave them, they will check out for your eye. I cannot pay 3,000 for one person. You will come and press me for back again. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. That was that first man. I cannot do it. I know that you're sorry for you. I know that you are a police officer, but I cannot shoot for you to enter. Okay, so please don't be offended. You know, from there, like you want to do me that you're a policeman. I know you can. I know you can face. Among all these things that were going on, I was wearing my eye glass because of breeze. You know, the first time I went there, the thing had me because I was not putting on and the noise, they affect ear. So I carry my tie cover my ear, carry my eye glass put for my eye. So you know, when I was talking that thing, I was not I was not looking at anybody's face. So that man was there lamenting. The second officer, I said, okay, I can move this bike. We should go. I said, okay. But I told the bike man, if I can't give me my money, I can't do for another bike. He said no. So the second officer was, you know, the other one was harsh, but this one was, you know, calm. So that is my experience with them today. Yeah. But when we left, the bike man comes here. Don't mind those people. You know, like when I was man, they said, don't mind that man. Yeah? They said they go there, they do for trouble because they be police. I said, why not talk that time? Now don't they talk now? He said, if I talk now, they feel carry my machine. Actually, I know they I know that make you not talk. I don't do anything. I don't fight anybody. I don't carry anybody shouting when you go arrest me. No. I was only fighting for my right. My right on the top of bike.
No.
Nah, these people, they know how to do something. So that was not the problem. My problem is that I'll come down, you give me my 3,000, okay? Or you give me 1,500, let him enter. Okay, because the bike man, I paid him before he entered him. But after we talked the price, I put my hand for my bag and carry his money and give to him. So give my money, I come down, okay? So that was my experience today. When I reached where I was going, I was like, when I was sitting down, I was like, wow. I didn't even that man, you know. Guys, that is it. Why are you shouting? Hey guys, that is it for today. I pray that thank God that what I went for went successful, everything go well, and we finish everything. The first time when I went there, the first time we don't finish it, but today everything round up. So that is it. Hey, I don't know why these people don't even know that Amara is near him. Why would Amara be lying down on top of you? You tell Amara to stand up. Okay. Amara to stand up. You and Amara will be made. So guys, that is it. Tell me what you think about it. Hope I was brave enough to, you know. That time I was bold. I burned my face. Who you want to do that thing for? And me. So guys, tell me what you think about it in the comments. Alright, that is my experience today. And when I was coming back, sure, it's okay. They left. I still have that bike because I still pay another 3,000. So that is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Amara, leave this boy alone. No, this boy is a big boy. It's okay. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you. And see you all in our next video. Bye. Now they come and say bye bye. Come and say bye bye. Come. I told you come and say bye bye. They come and say bye bye. Come.
Come say bye bye to your friends.
I say bye. Say I love you. I love you. I wish you. My big, shift a big. Hey guys, thank you. Love you all. And see you all in our next video.